going to be making a little storage unit for the back of my car. Kind of just went out there and grabbed a few different measurements and drew up something on AutoCAD at work. Got some dimensions here, cabinet here, well, kind of drawer system, I guess. It's gonna be pretty simple, not too worried. Gonna draw it up all here and go to my coworker's house and cut it all on the table saw. So let's get after it.
It seems like the way I live. Said I should be a big shot. Said I should take it TikTok. I got a rails. I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. I'm feeling like that. Well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I got a rails 'cause I've done all I could, and nothing to reach, and I don't feel like I should. I'm feeling like that. Well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. Said I should.
That's roughly what it's gonna look like.
Said I should.
Not bad. I'll have room to access this over here still. My power.
That's what I get for dragging my hand across the side of it trying to rotate it. Oh.
Get it out?
Oh yeah.
Get a log right. Holy cow.
I got a half-inch long sliver in there.
That's a good one. Technical difficulties. Oh no!
Well, apparently I just missed a whole bunch. I have no idea where it left off, but we got it all put together. Got to stain a few things still. Got the end cap on. Fits perfectly. I can still access that little compartment right there and my plugs. And I gotta stain that still, but not bad. my coworker's house, and I was working on my little slider cabinet storage thing, and I was about to drill some holes and make some bolts and make it super complicated to actually fasten it down into the back of my car. And he's like, why don't you just Velcro it in there? I mean, you got carpet, the Velcro will stick pretty well. So it's like, never would have thought about that. So here we are. Gonna get some Velcro, try it out. If it doesn't work, we'll try something different, bolt it down probably, but I think the Velcro is gonna work. It's in the shade now, so it's not the prettiest, but it's done. Now time to put it in. I'll figure out some more organization as time goes on, but for now, this is what I got. I got my cast iron pan, my impact, and some bits. Big impact doesn't quite fit, but not yet. One of my propane's fuel cells, whatever the heck this thing is called, and the camp stove. And there's a room for a little bit more.